Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk, because we finally got the Binance listing. All right, we already got the Coinbase listing a couple of days ago, or a couple of days ago, 2 days ago. No, 3 days ago. I'm not sure. But we got the Binance listing and the accompanied rally. All right. Yesterday, what I said in the video is that I expected Bonk to rally up higher. Which it did, but in the end, I mean, most of you know that we rallied even higher. I did tell you, I mean, I know some of you watch all of my Bonk videos, right? So I very much appreciate that. And if you remember, a week ago, we talked about the potential listing of Bonk on Binance. And because I know that some of you will not believe me, I will quickly look it up. Welcome to my channel. But yeah, we talked about this, all right? We talked about the possibility, and then I also said that, well, here you can see 6 days ago, Bonk Binance listing incoming. And Coinbase listing as well. So it was to be predicted. And I think in one of those videos I said that then if that would happen, that we could double again. But I mean, that's not what I said yesterday. So it doesn't matter that much, but it's great. All right. If you made profits with this, congratulations. You deserved it. And now the big question is what's next? All right. Because this is quite a bit, like usually when I say emergency update, it's a bit of clickbait. In this case, not that much, because I think there's a possibility we'll see a big crash from Bonk, and I'll tell you why, all right? And for that, we need to look at Pepe, all right? A Binance listing is great. It brings way more volume and way more people to the price of a certain crypto. But what happens sometimes, especially with a crypto like Bonk, which has gone up in the last month with about 2,500%. I looked it up. The first time I covered it, it was down. It was since then, it's up 2,500%. Which was the 8th of November. So a month and a week did 2,500%. Then usually if it has rallied so much, and I know that there are some big parties behind Bonk who have a lot of Bonk tokens and who can sell a lot and dump this a lot, all right? This can really fall down. And this is what happened with Pepe with the Binance listing. All right, this is what happened. We spiked up, consolidated up there for a day, and then started dropping down, started crashing. And at this moment, I also do expect something like this for Bonk. I'm not saying it's the only scenario, and we could still see a spike up. But right now, it's not looking amazing, all right? We found resistance here at this level between, well, ultimately 30,000, but let's say right here between 32,500 and 35,000. Look, there definitely is a possibility we will still rally up higher to, let's say, 45,000. All right, that would be my next price target if it starts getting bullish again. But a lot of times, like I said, with these Binance listings of cryptos that have already rallied up a lot, it's just risky and they tend to fall. They tend to crash. And with Bonk, like I said, I know that there's some parties behind it who hold a lot of tokens. Here you can see the open interest. That's dropping down a little bit since the last 2 hours as well. Guys, this is going to be risky. All right, you can see Bonk falling right now. The main support level is right here at 25,000 and 27,500. We already touched that. This is the support level where we'll have to move up from. All right, so if we still want to go higher with Bonk, what needs to happen is we need to find support here and then get some sort of a bullish breakout above 30, 31, 32,000. If we're able to do that, then we can still rally up higher. But honestly, I would not trade this. It's just too risky. I think it's more likely that Bonk will follow the same fate as Pepe, even though the market circumstances are definitely more bullish now than they were then. All right, so that makes the situation tricky, but I think it's more likely that we'll consolidate here and then eventually actually crash, which most of you know, I've been bullish on Bonk a lot of times. All right, so I don't want to be bearish on Bonk, but this and down to 20,000, down to 18,000 at least, just seems most likely to me. And from there, maybe we can get a second rally. Who knows? But yeah, it's wait for a breakout either above 32,000 or below 25 or 27,000 and a half. Then you'll have some more confirmation, but in general, I would be careful, all right? That's my take on Bonk for now. If you want to trade Bonk with the best funding fees, all right? So the funding fees right now are quite negative on Bonk, so you can actually make some money. Sign up with Bybit. They're great to use either way. You could have traded Bonk on there a long time already, all right? So sign up with them. Links to them will be down in the description. They're a great exchange to use. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.